Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some breaking news straight from Zimbabwe. If you follow global politics, you definitely don't want to miss this. So let's dive right in. The Children of Zimbabwe War Veterans Association, or KUTYA, just dropped a bombshell on their X handle. They announced that President Emmerson Mnangagwa threatened to resign last Sunday. This is huge, folks. Here's what happened. According to KUTYA, President Mnangagwa is facing massive resistance to his Vision 2030 program, and that's not all. There are major divisions within his party, ZANU-PF, and the entire political system. The tension has reached such an alarming level that Mnangagwa fears a repeat of 2017. Remember 2017? That's when Robert Mugabe was ousted after a military intervention. So, what's causing all this turmoil? Well, Mnangagwa has had a serious fallout with the war veterans. These folks were his staunch supporters back in the day, but now they're at odds over his failure to combat corruption. Corruption is still rampant and the war vets aren't happy. And let's be real, neither is the rest of Zimbabwe. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's also a fierce succession battle brewing within ZANU-PF. The Ministry of Women Affairs is allegedly trying to sideline Vice President Chiwenga. Chiwenga has been a significant figure in Zimbabwean politics, and sidelining him could shake things up even more. Mnangagwa is fighting tooth and nail to stay in power amid an economic crisis that's gripping the nation. Inflation is skyrocketing, unemployment is through the roof, and basic commodities are becoming scarce. People are frustrated, and the political landscape is more fragile than ever. So, where does this leave Zimbabwe? If Mnangagwa steps down, it could pave the way for Vice President Chiwenga to take over. But even that isn't guaranteed. The political infighting within ZANU-PF could lead to further instability, and the nation's future hangs in the balance. It's a tense and precarious situation, and all eyes are on Zimbabwe. Will Mnangagwa follow through with his resignation threat? Or will he find a way to navigate this political minefield and maintain his grip on power? Only time will tell. So what do you think? Will Mnangagwa step down? Or is this just another political maneuver? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on this developing story. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.